Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the melt function on your microwave. And we're going to do that with some tasty chocolate chips. Place them inside the microwave. There's about 6 ounces of chocolate chips here. So we're going to push the soften melt function. Now notice how it scrolls up different settings, soften or melt. Well, we want to do melt, so we're going to push 1. And it's going to ask us, what are we melting? Butter, margarine, chocolate, cheese, marshmallows, butter, and it scrolls back to butter. So we want to melt chocolate, so we're going to push 3. Now it's going to ask us the ounces. How many ounces? 2 ounces, 4 ounces, 6 ounces. So we want to do 6 ounces. And then we're going to push start. Here they are. The melt is complete.
Use caution when taking hot items out of the microwave. Only adults or children under adult supervision should take items out of a microwave.
Look at that. A perfect melt. That looks delicious. So that's how you melt chocolate in your microwave.